Hello, welcome to our English Homophones Part 9. This is Jeff. I am Lucy.
Today we will talk about some words that sound the same, but are spelled differently and have different meanings.
They are called homophones.
Over to our teacher, Tom.
Hello, my name is Tom. The first two words are night and night.
A knight was a medieval warrior. Here we see two knights sparring.
And here, a knight kneels in front of his king.
This is a chessboard. One of the pieces is a knight.
Here we see a close-up of the knight.
K-N-I-G-H-T. Knight.
K-N-I-G-H-T. Knight.
Knight. A person who has received an honorary title of knighthood from a king or ruler. Usually addressed as Sir. As in, the mounted knight known as Sir Henry sat on his horse, lance in hand. Can also be a chess piece resembling a horse or its head. As in, he moved the knight on the chessboard.
What a nice view of Earth from space. You can see the areas where it is night on the left.
It is a stunning view. One can even see the city lights in the night area.
N-I-G-H-T. Night.
N-I-G-H-T. Night.
Night. The period of darkness between sunset and sunrise. As in, there was a cloud cover making it a very dark night. But can also be used to refer to a period of time. As in, we went out to eat last night. We have now learnt about night and night. They sound the same but are spelled differently and have different meanings. Knight, an honorary title granted by a king or ruler, usually addressed as Sir. It can also refer to a chess piece resembling a horse and rider or just the horse's head. Night refers to the dark period after sunset. The next two words are no and no.
I did not know they milked the cows like this these days.
Nor did I know that. I thought they still milked them by hand.
K-N-O-W. No.
K-N-O-W. No.
No. To have understanding or experience of something. As in, do you know how it works? Or somebody. As in, yes, I used to know that family.
Look, it says no entry from this side.
No problem. We'll run through the tunnels on the way back.
N-O. No.
N-O. No.
No. The opposite of yes. As in, no, I don't eat oranges. Or as a denial. As in, he took no part in it. Also as in, it's no use. We have now learnt about no and no. They sound the same but are spelled differently and have different meanings. Know, having knowledge of. Know, a negative response. The next two words are lead and lead.
My bag is heavy. Is it filled with lead?
Mine is also as heavy as lead.
L-E-A-D. Lead.
L-E-A-D. Lead.
Lead. Lead is a heavy metal. Spelled the same as lead, to guide, which sounds different. As in, the lead sinkers used in fishing are very heavy.
The lead light-emitting diode is widely used in displays, in TVs and for lighting, etc.
Here a blind man is being led by his dog.
L-E-D. Lead.
L-E-D. Lead.
Lead. Lead is an abbreviation for light-emitting diode. As in, lead globes use much less power than filament globes. Or it can also mean to guide or to direct. As in, he led the rescue team to the crash site. We have now learnt about lead and lead. They sound the same but are spelled differently and have different meanings. Lead, a heavy metal, not to be confused with lead, to guide. Lead, a light-emitting diode, also the act of having guided or directed someone or something. The last two words are maid and maid.
This shop sells all these nice items made by hand by people at home.
It looks like many of them were made with great care.
M-A-D-E. Maid.
M-A-D-E. Maid.
Maid. Produced something. As in, he made dinner for the family. Also, been created from something. As in, the statue was made of stone. And also, caused to be. As in, you have made us late.
These recordings of my acting as a maid in the school plays are so funny.
You played the part of the maid very well.
M-A-I-D. Maid.
M-A-I-D. Maid.
Maid. A female servant. As in, the maid cleaned the room in the morning. Also, an unmarried girl or woman. As in, she was the maid of honor at my wedding. We have now learnt about maid and maid. They sound the same but are spelled differently and have different meanings. Maid. Made by, made with, or made us late. Maid. A female servant, or an unmarried female. See you in the next video. Bye for now.